Good day, students. Today we want to solve problem that involve the resistors and the inductor. In our last class, we discussed about combinations of the resistor and the capacitor in a circuit. But now we are going to discuss that of the resistor and the inductor. Now, a circuit consists of a 10 ohm resistor. The first thing to do is to write down the parameters. The resistor equals 10 ohms and an inductor and an inductor 0.L. We use as a resistor inductor 0.8 Henry connected in series. V root mean square. V root square is 240 volts. The frequency of oscillation is 60 Hz. It's the source. Draw the circuit diagram of the arrangement. The first thing to do is to draw the circuit diagram. Now, the circuit consists of, start like this, the resistor 10 ohms and an inductor. This the symbol of inductor 0.8 Henry connected in series. It means that it's not branching the current as it's flowing, it's not dividing, connected in series to the 240 volts, the symbol of AC source 240 volts, 60 Hz, 60 Hz, AC source, current go back to this. That's how it's going to move one loop. There's no division of the current because it's connected in series. This is the diagram. The first question is inductive reactance. This is the symbol of inductive L. This X stands for reactance, L is the inductor, and the formula is 2 pi FL. Pi is given to us as 3.142, F is the frequency, L is the inductor. And the unit of inductive reactance is ohms, like resistors. Okay, calculate inductive reactance. XL equals 2 times 3.142 times frequency 60 times inductor 0.8. When you do your multiplication, you have 301.63 ohms. 0.63 ohms. The next question is the impedance of the circuit. Impedance, this symbol of impedance, and involve R and L, resistance and the inductance. Okay, now ZRL equals, don't forget that it's having squared here, equals R squared plus XL squared. Find the square root. Find the square roots of both sides, so that the square can cancel out. ZRL square 2 cancel the square root because square root of R squared plus XL squared. Okay, this, you should be familiar with this under Pythagoras theorem in mathematics. Along with ZRL, that is impedance through the resistance of the resistor and the inductance. Okay, now we have what's resistor value 10 squared plus XL. XL is 301.63 squared. ZRL equals square root of 100 10 squared plus 301.63 squared. When you press your calculator, you have 90,980.6569. Okay, now when you find, let's add it together. 90,980.6569 plus 100 56908 plus 1, that is 10. 0 and 5 is come here, comes 91,000. ZRL equals square root of 91,080.6569. When you press the calculator, you are having ZRL to be equals to 301.80 ohms. Okay, the next question is capacitance of a capacitor that must be connected in series with this component to obtain maximum current. Okay, this is the first question. Inductive reactance, impedance, the third one is maximum current is obtained at resonance, and at resonance XC equal to XL. The same thing, XL equals to XC, that is the inductive reactance equals to capacitive reactance at maximum, when you have maximum current at resonance. Is that okay? And what's XL? 2 pi FL equals 1 over 2 pi FC. Okay, and we have the value for the XL. Just write this. XL equals 1 over 2 pi FC. Cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you have 2 pi FC. 2 pi FC XL equals 1. We are looking for C, divide both sides by 2 pi FXL. 2 pi FXL. This cancels out. The level C to be 1 over 2 pi FXL. This 1 over 2 times 3.142 times 60, it's our frequency, times plus XL. XL is 301.63. C now equals 1 divided by, when you multiply the denominator, you have 113,726 726.5752 and 5752. We press the calculator. We are having 8.82 times 10 to the power minus 6, which is equals to 8.82 microfarad. That's it. But 8.82 microfarad. This is the end of the class. Please subscribe to my channel so that I can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.